supporting actor. रुंसारि आलारि बसुमतारी बिथांजोनि जोनोमा आथिखालनि सनितपुर जिल्लानि सिङाव थानाय राङापारा ओनसोलनि जुगिबिल गामियाव इं 1992 मायथाइनि 2 जुन खालारखालि जादोंमोन। बिथाङा सासे खन्थाइ सुजुगिरि, रोजाबगिरि, देंखोगिरि, मेथाइ सुजुगिरि आरो फावखुंग्रिमोन। लोगोसे बिथांजोआ सनितपुर जिल्ला बिसानिबो सोद्रोमामोन। बिथांजोआ बोराइ बाथौनि महिमा, सैथो आरो फोथाय, बाथौ थान्दै बायदि सावथुनफोराव मेथाइ रोजाबदोंमोन। बिथांजोआ थांनाय इं 2024 मायथाइनि 1 जुलाइ खालाराव रुंसारि जालाङो। The nominees are
आंनि जिउनि बै मोनसे आयदाखौ जेब्लायबो बावनो नाजाबोगासिनो आयं।
आयै आंसो जोहोलाव।
आयै सनास्तर एसेबां गोबावनि उनावसो आंखौ गोसोखांबायनो। नों थांनानै दं आफा? नों एसेबां गोबाव सम बबेहाय दंमोन आफा?
जोबोद
औ आफा, आं जोबोद।
And to do the honors, we would like to request Sulekha Basumatary ma'am, a renowned singer, to come on stage. The members of BCAA kindly assist her to the stage. Let's give a big hand for Sulekha Basumatary ma'am. She is a source of inspiration for us. She is a representative of Bodo art and culture, Bodo singing since decades. And we'd also like to request Miss Neha Bodo. She's also a singer, to kindly felicitate ma'am with an arona and a memento. Let's give a big hand for Sulekha Basumatary ma'am. Can we have the name of the winner, please?
The best female supporting actor award goes to
Very eager.
Sarda Tata. Junu Basumatary.
Junu Basumatary ma'am. Let's give a big hand for Junu Basumatary. May we have Junu Basumatary ma'am on stage. She's already there. She will be given 50,000 rupees for her incredible acting. And we have seen the acting scenes there. This is not just an award. We are actually paying a tribute to the spirit, culture,